Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Afsafi and I am going to teach you complex analysis. So in this video, you will learn history of complex numbers. So first of all, the first thing that led to the discovery of complex analysis was the problem of solutions of quadratic equations. So if we consider the quadratic equation of the form this x square equals to mx plus b, then its solution will be this form x equals to m by 2 plus minus m square by 4 plus b under the root. So the solution was of this form, and this equation represents the intersection of parabola x square and the line mx plus b. So that's why it has a solution, and its solution is of this form. So if we take the solution of this form, we will note that if this thing is less than 0, then here this square root will contain negative sign, and that was a big problem. So like in particular, if we take x square equals to minus 1, it has no real solution. That is x equals to plus minus under root minus 1. There is no real number of this form. So this often argued that this led to iota equals to minus and square root minus 1. So they thought that the only solution was that these parabola and line will never intersect. So next problem was the problem of solution of cubic equation, and that was the problem that led towards the discovery of complex numbers. So if we consider the cubic equation of this form x cube equals to px plus q, then it represents the intersection of this x cube and px plus q, and if this represents the intersection of these two equations, then it must have a solution. But there was a problem that in that time they didn't find the solution of cubic equation. So in 16th century, Italian mathematician Girolamo Cardano, along with Del Ferro and Tartaglia, they showed that the equation of this form has a solution, and that solution is of the form this: x equals to cube root of square root q square by 4 minus pq by 27 plus q by 2 minus cube root square root of q square by 4 minus pq by 23 minus q by 2. So that solution of cubic equation was of this form. So there was again a problem about this solution, and that problem is called Bombelli's problem. Why it is called Bombelli problem? Because about 30 years after the discovery of this formula, Bombelli considered the equation of this form, this cubic equation, because here p equals to 15 and q equals to 4. So you will plug the value of p and q in the previous formula that Girolamo found. Was if we plug the values of p and q 15 and 4 respectively, then we will get this solution. And here was again a problem because we got minus 121 under square root. So that was again a problem. So, but Bombelli found his own idea to overcome this problem, and that idea is called Bombelli's idea. And his idea was that he discovered that this thing is equal to 2 plus square root of minus 1, and the other part of that equation, that solution was equal to 2 minus square root of minus 1. So if we add up these, then this will be put it with this one and we will get 4, and that was the actual answer. So that Bombelli's idea gave birth to complex numbers. So Bombelli discovery is considered the birth of complex analysis. And it all of this discussion also showed that perfectly real problem like solution of a cubic equation require complex arithmetic for their solution. So that's all about our today's lecture. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.